Santos here. Let's make a dragon for Chinese New Year using black cardstock, red and yellow construction paper, scissors, glue, Santos scented markers and gel pens, a pipe cleaner, googly eyes, a foam star, and cupcake wrappers. First, start coloring in your cupcake wrappers. I'm using red because it is a lucky color, and also yellow because it symbolizes prosperity. And then with the gel pens, I'm adding in a texture on top to make it look like scales. Once you have 4 of each color, stack them on top of each other and cut them into quarters like this. This will make the dragon's body. For the head, draw a little bean shape on the red construction paper and cut it out. Make some wiggly worm-looking things with some claws at the end for the legs. On the yellow paper, draw out a flame, and then cut out some triangles for the horns. Now that you have all your pieces, let's put it together. On your black paper, draw an S shape with your gel pen so you have a guideline, and then cover it with glue. Then cover the glue with pieces of your cupcake paper. I'm doing an alternating pattern of 2 pieces of red and 1 piece of yellow, and as I go, I'm making sure they're stuck down really good with the glue. Once all the cupcake wrappers are glued down, glue on the head and all of the horns. Then glue down his little arms and his flame breath. And don't forget his googly eyes. Cut the pipe cleaner into 4 pieces so you can make his mustache and eyebrows and glue them down too. Add the final details with his nostrils and his mouth. Oh, oops, can't forget the star. There. Look at the beautiful dragon we created to celebrate Chinese New Year 2024. Give it a try and have fun.